Hey there, fellow Volvo owners. Today, I've got something handy to share with you all. You know how frustrating it can be when your Key FOB starts acting up because of a dying battery, right? Well, worry no more. I recently stumbled upon this awesome replacement battery kit for Volvo Smart Key FOBs, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. First things first, let's talk compatibility. This CR2430 battery is specifically designed for select Volvo models ranging from 2009 to 2017. If you own a Volvo S60, S80, V70, XC60, or XC70 within those years, chances are this battery is exactly what you need. Just double-check your FOB's FCC ID, KR55WK49264 or KR55WK49266, to be sure. Now, what sets this kit apart is the inclusion of not only the battery but also a handy opening tool. Trust me, this little tool makes the battery replacement process a breeze. No more fumbling around with makeshift tools and risking damage to your FOB. Plus, the package comes with 2 batteries, which is perfect for those vehicles requiring a pair. Installation couldn't be simpler, folks. Pop open the cover using the included tool, swap out the old battery with the new one, and voila! No need for any fancy reprogramming. Your FOB will work just like before. And if you're worried about getting lost during the process, fear not. They provide an easy-to-follow instructional video to guide you every step of the way. I've personally used this kit, and let me tell you, it saved me both time and money. No more trips to the dealership for a simple battery replacement. With just a few minutes of your time, your FOB will be as good as new. So if you're a Volvo owner looking to avoid unnecessary service appointments, do yourself a favor and grab one of these replacement battery kits. Trust me, you won't regret it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.